Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be doing a review on the new egg on png1 because it's the exclusive egg right here, the anvil egg right here. There's also an overpower anvil egg. I did not buy this because I spent a Robux. And then you've got retro Robux pets over here. Then you've got obviously the boosted pack. So yeah. Right. I'm gonna open them. Here's the eggs right here. That's gonna be around about it. So yeah. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like. So yeah. Bye guys.